my kitchen. Today we're going to be making something just that will just soothe your soul, and it is keto to boot. So we're going to be doing a low carb soup. We're going to be doing chicken enchilada soup, and who don't like that? I have already got my chicken boiled and everything. I know y'all would know how to do that. So I'm not going to put you through watching me boil chicken. So I've already made my chicken, got my broth, and other than that, you just got normal stuff. It ain't nothing you're going to have to go look for in the Walmart. We've got some rotel. I've got the off-brand because they were less carbs. I've got a cup of salsa and some cheddar cheese, some onion, bell pepper, and just some good old stuff. So I'm going to start getting this put together for you, and get my broth and my chicken in the pot, and get to sauteing some vegetables. Alright, y'all, done transferred all my little stuff over here in the corner, so it's just stacked up over here. But I'm going to start with about 2 tablespoons of just some regular butter.
Hey, y'all.
And there's Russell. He's a cameraman for me. Yeah. I told him, I said, when you ain't in here, they can't see nothing going on in the pot.
I don't want to take y'all inside the kitchen, cooking a little bit more.
So,
give you a little more up close.
Let you see what's going on.
Yeah, well, I got you no onion.
So I got a half of the onion in here.
That butter going. Mm-hmm.
My butter's already starting to brown. I wasn't fast enough. And I've got just a half a cup of just a small bell pepper. I just did a half a bell pepper, and it was small. That's what I'm trying to say. So I am just going to cook these down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put some salt and pepper in here. Get them seasoned up. We're going to be adding some more seasoning, but this is what I'm going with right now. Some salt and pepper. And I remember to use them. They're just sitting there waiting. Put a little bit of accent in there. All right, we're going to get these just softened up just a little bit. Now, I told you I've already cooked my chicken. Had my chicken ready to go with my broth. I like to keep that on hand, actually. I put it in a jar, and I do like this. Keep it in a jar, and keep it on hand so I can just throw together something. Sometimes I'll just take that broth and drink it. It is really good. Let me turn this down before I catch this all on fire. That would not be good.
We don't need a fire.
No, we do not need a fire. Oh, it make it really exciting.
Rhonda's Kitchen Fire. I can just see the title in that one now.
Rhonda's Kitchen, yeah, gone wild, gone.
FBO score 2,000.
Yes. So I've just got my chicken cooked in here and my broth. Now you could have a little shortcut. Look at that, it already looks good. I got my broth and my chicken. It does.
Yummy.
And you can, if you don't want to boil your chicken down and make this beautiful broth, you could just get you a rotisserie chicken. Just pick you a little chicken. It'll be just fine too. It's going to be good either way. But I have that ready to go. Now, I have figured up the carbs on this whole pot of soup, okay? Obviously, I don't know how many servings it is, but I just figured the carbs for everything I'm putting in this whole pot. And I come up with 20 carbs for the entire pot. Now, I had to, of course, count the bell pepper, the onion, the chicken was 0, the broth was 0. And I am adding a cup of salsa, and you can make your own probably and have it just you know, a little lower carbs, but I did go with paste today. And I had this little off-brand rotel. It was less carbs as well. So, and I'm gonna be adding some jalapeños in here. Spicy. And some heavy whipping cream, lots of cheese. It's just gonna be so good.
Yummy, y'all.
It is yummy. And I have got some green chilies, and we'll go ahead and put them in there because we want that little kick. We want that taste. Some chilies in there. And I have more broth if I need it to add in here. I just kind of eyeball it, of course. Now we're gonna start putting our spices in here. And I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I was about to do it all over the floor because it was open. The side, there we go. So what's going on with that? Did you booby trap it, Russell?
I did not. I would not set you up right.
All right, this is 2 teaspoons here. So 2 teaspoons of garlic powder.
Remember, I'll be sneezing on some garlic powder.
Oh.
That hit the floor. Lord.
She ain't gonna know nothing about that. She's in there napping. She ain't worried what we doing.
Yeah.
Y'all, we got the laziest dog. She's sweet as she can be, but she is just lazy and
She's got the life of Riley, man.
she does. Now she will let us know somebody's at the door.
Yeah.
The mail lady's there. She's gonna let you know. But other than
She'll
that,
let you know even if she thinks somebody's at the
yeah, she better growling about sugar baby. There ain't nobody at that door. You missed on that one. All right, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and paprika. Gotta have some good old paprika in here. And I'm gonna do just a teaspoon of the paprika. There we go, didn't all the way come out. Give that just a little stir. Now if you've got your chicken and stuff already made up, this is not gonna take you long at all to get it whipped up. All right, we got our rotel, 1 can of rotel going in there. Like I said, all these carbs have been figured into this soup. So 20 for the whole pot. Cup of salsa. And this is really, you can really put it together quick. You could cook your chicken the day before, or even put it in a crock pot or whatever if you're going to work. Come home and it's ready to do. You just throw this together. But I'm gonna pump that heat up just a little bit now. All right, I'm gonna put in some jalapeno slices here. Spicy. Yes, spicy, just a little kick. I'm just gonna do about a tablespoon in there, because that rotel does have, has a little kick to it to me. Now, I'm a wuss, but it's got a little kick.
But you don't have no problem putting it in.
No, because I know you like it.
I do, I like it.
You do. Yes, you do. Yes, thumbs up. But as soon as this comes to a little boil, look at that, y'all. Yummy, yummy.
Looking good.
It is looking good. I've got my cheese over here. We still got our heavy whipping cream. I think everything else I have got in there. So just gonna let this simmer for just a little bit. And got almost, so that's everything, y'all. I done got everything in there. The whole pot's gonna be 20 carbs. So 20 net carbs. But it's looking really good, really good. So I'm just gonna let this simmer for just a minute, and then I'll come back and put the cheese and some heavy whipping cream in there. It's gonna make it good and creamy. You can't skimp on that. Look how good this is looking, y'all. Oh my goodness, look. Chunky, it's got that chicken in it. All the good stuff. I'm gonna now add some good old heavy whipping cream.
Costco, yeah.
Costco. We battled Costco for that. I'm gonna do about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and it's gonna give it that creamy consistency now. If you need more, add it. It'll be just fine. Now we want about 2 cups of this cheese in it. You can do any kind of shredded cheese. I like the, this is Colby Jack, and I did shred it on my little shredder. So the carbs would be low, because y'all know if you buy the cheese that's already grated, it's got that that powder on it that keeps it from caking, and it does add carbs to your cheese. So no thank you. I'll just grate my own, my little grater. Look at there now. Look how creamy it's getting. Look, see. Very good. You fogging it up.
It looks good.
I'm gonna add just a little bit more cream in it, just another little splash. Now we're just gonna let it simmer. And I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of this extra cheese. Maybe a little sprinkle of cilantro on top or something. All those spices just come to the top. Now I have added cream cheese in this before. When I didn't have any heavy whipping cream, and it gives it a real creamy consistency as well. So look at all this goodness. Now I'm just gonna let it simmer for just maybe about 10 minutes, and then Russell's gonna get to taste it. Yum. All right, y'all, it's ready, piping hot, ready for Russell to burn his esophagus.
That's not funny. That's not funny. Oh, look. You see how she does, baby? Look. You see how she does?
Just give it
gives her little kicks then.
Just give it a little blow.
Let me just get it in there.
Just give it a little blow. It'll be fine.
Yeah,
It'll be fine. It's not steam. Oh, it is steaming there.
It is. You gonna make jokes. You gonna make jokes about it there.
It's really good though.
Have you burned your esophagus on it already?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I'm patient and blow it, so just give it a little.
I'm not patient, you know that. I don't.
You want me to cool it off for you?
No, you don't have to blow it. I'm a big boy.
It's good. All that cheese is melted in it.
It looks delicious, y'all. It really does.
Is. Got you some. It's got a little kick. I did taste it. Punch me in the throat.
No, my little kick. Little kick is
It was pretty good.
Yeah, it's cheesy.
It's cheesy. Now I like a little sour cream on mine. Maybe a little even some little avocado.
It ain't that hot.
It ain't that hot. Good, good.
It's really good.
It's good.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. I'll take it.
Chicken enchilada, right?
Chicken enchilada soup.
When I say just like it. 100%.
True story, y'all. True story. It's
without
good.
the little burrito, but
without the tortilla.
All the rest of it, the flavor of it, I'm telling you, that is
it's legit.
100% nailed.
It's good. And the whole pot, which is probably about, I'd say 10 to 12 cups.
It's a lot.
For 20 carbs.
We're going to be eating on that.
I mean, you could, yes, this is great for lunch. You could put it in little cups or whatever. It reheats really good. It does. But it's good stuff, y'all. You have to give it a little try. He survived. He didn't burn his esophagus. Yes. His face ain't melting off.
Nope.
Nope. But anyway.
Once again, that would be a viral video, you know. Epic face failure, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lips dripping off. Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, that thumbnail would be epic.
Yes, it would.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you can do something good with this. It'll be all right.
I'll try.
It's good, yeah. You do a good job.
I will say it's our food, every bit of it.
It is.
Ain't no AI, computer generated, ain't no ripped off, no Google.
It's not somebody else's pictures.
What we cook is what we eat.
That's exactly right.
Yep.
But anyway.
What you cook.
I cook.
I don't really do none of that, you know.
No, you do. You do
I do my part. I do my part.
He tastes.
Yeah.
He does his part. He does it well.
Yeah. I have the best part. I have the best job.
You really do. You really do.
I agree.
Just zipping in here at the last minute, give it a little taste.
Comic relief and,
all that.
tell y'all how delicious it is.
Yeah.
I know y'all get tired of the redundancy, but I don't really know what else to say other than the truth,
No.
I can't go spit it out. There ain't nothing wrong with it. It's good,
Yeah.
That tastes just like an enchilada.
I will say, because, and I think I've said this before, because somebody's asked that, do you tell him what to say first of all? And I said,
Lord,
absolutely not. What comes at me, I don't ever know what's coming out.
That's a lot. Doing a lie would be fantastic, y'all. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I don't
ain't
know.
no script then. We ain't got no script to read off
You
of.
don't ever know what we're
I've
going to
listened
say.
to that. Some YouTube channels say, well, I make a script. And I'm like,
What for?
it's not a TV show. It's,
Then you sound just like you're reading it.
Yeah.
But the other thing is, somebody said, was it ever been a time that he hasn't liked what you cook? And I said, Lord, yes. One time in particular, I was like, oh, did you like that? He was like, yeah, but let's not ever have that again.
well, you still be nice, still be supportive.
Let's don't ever have that again. Oh, so you didn't like it? Wasn't really good, was it? So listen, I've been cooking since I can remember at like 7 or 8 years old. My mom had us in the kitchen. But I have done some doozies. I have flopped. I have...
Everybody does. It's
yes.
human. Anything,
So,
you make mistakes on anything.
I respect the truth. Oh, let's don't do that no more.
We'll put it out there too. The bottom line is sometimes it ain't.
We'll be like, well, we made this video already, so...
And here's the thing, we roll with it. She's like, well, I don't know, I've never made that before. I'm like, well, we're gonna video it either way. And
most everything though that I cook, I have cooked.
You have.
I have.
But she's a couple of the keto dishes that you try something a little different on. I think.
Normally, our first time, not for video though. I normally have already done this before, and I know.
But we don't be making up batches of stuff though.
No.
We just eat. We make we film what we eat. That's what we do.
We do. And if it's not good, I'm gonna say, this ain't my favorite sugar.
This is very good, y'all, and I'm not getting paid anyway. You don't see that paid promotion for me to say that. It's
if he spits it out or something, we not going.
I mean, it was smoking like I could have. That could have happened.
No, I meant if it was nasty.
No, it's definitely
it
not
will
that.
not make the internet.
We'll be whipping up something else.
Yeah, let's just eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for putting up with our shenanigans.
Yeah, a little comic relief.
Yeah.
Hey, that's good. Laughing's good for you, peeps.
It is. It's
really
good
is.
for you. If you ain't got nothing else.
Yeah, a good laugh is great.
Yeah.
Good for your soul.
It is. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching
What are you
us.
doing down there? She's just staring at me.
She's
Staring
waiting.
a hole through me right
She's
here.
waiting on something to fall.
Yeah.
That's what she circles for.
Yeah.
But anyway, y'all.
Yeah, thank y'all for watching.
Thank
We
y'all for
appreciate it. Yep.
yes. And don't forget to like and subscribe
Appreciate it.
and do
Supports
all
us
the
and
sweet things.
Helps with the algorithm and all that stuff. So yeah, do that.
I don't know all that behind that. He keeps up with that stuff. But,
Well, I ain't so sure. It's always changing, so you don't really know. You know?
Anyway,
Yeah,
it is what it is.
We're going to keep doing them.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
It ain't what we're doing them for. So.
No, we ain't. We enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yep.
But anyway, y'all, till next time.
Peace!